Have you ever wondered how sweet stevia drops are? Let's find out. Hey, Nish here. Recently I bought these stevia drops. Now stevia is a sweetener, it's kind of naturally found in some plant, and I was curious, how does this compare to sugar? The drops I've got are made by Modern Nature. I'm not really sure what the exact concentration of them are, but I've linked them in the description just as a reference. So here's the experiment I've devised. I've got 2 glasses of water. In one of them, I've put enough sugar to give a concentration of 10 grams per 100 ml. That's the same as orange juice or Coca-Cola. And in the other one, I'm gonna add stevia drops bit by bit and try and find kind of a parity in sweetness and compare the flavor. So first off, let's check that sugary one. Oh man, that is really sweet. So I'm gonna start off with 4 drops of stevia in this glass. Okay, that doesn't taste remotely sweet. Okay, so 8 drops, which is 1 serving. Okay, that's starting to taste sweet, but it's definitely not on that level yet. I'm just gonna add a little water to this to make sure it's a fair contest. Yeah, it's still not there for me. Let's boost it up to 6. Ooh, okay, that's tasting sweet now. Let me remind myself of the other one. Oh God, that is so sweet. All right, we're up to 20 drops. Nope, still not there. Still not there. Nope. No, we're still not there. 54 drops. This is kind of getting ridiculous. Oh, okay. Now that is starting to give me the same kick of disgustingness. Nope, still not there. Okay, so we're now up to 70 drops. Okay. Ooh, that's quite sweet. Okay, I think that's actually about there. It took 70 drops of this stuff to get this water as sweet as 10 gram per 100 ml. So let me just go and do a bit of maths and get back to you. Okay, so I've crunched the numbers. So adding 35 drops of stevia gives the same effect as adding 10 grams of sugar. Now, 8 of these drops are apparently half a mil, so basically adding 1 drop, 0.04 mil, is the same as adding about 0.3 grams of sugar. So 0.04 mil is about 0.04 grams, so these stevia drops in particular are about 8 times as sweet as the equivalent amount of sugar. It's kind of interesting because you see numbers thrown out like stevia is 200 times sweeter than sugar, but clearly there's, I don't know what the concentration is in this particular brand, and maybe there's other brands that are more concentrated, but that's kind of an interesting result. At least I can use this ratio when I'm using this in foods to kind of work out roughly what I want to add. As far as the taste goes between these, it is kind of a little bit artificial in the way that sweetness comes out, but it's not super artificial. I hope this was interesting. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments. Subscribe for more random kind of food related content, and I'll see you next time.